This is a certificate of completion from Android Enterprise. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. Today we are on the platform of Google Partner Training, where we get many courses and also completion certificate from Google, Android and many other Google apps, and also some badges are here. Let's see the procedure of getting the courses of Google platform. And here, when I'm going through my Google account or Gmail account, it shows an error and it is written personal accounts are not valid, we need business account. And how we get a business account? The simple process is just download TampMail app application from the Google Play Store. This is the application of temporary mail where you get a business email for a temporary time, and also there is an inbox. If you get any message on this, then you can go through the inbox and get it. I downloaded, and when I open this app I get a new business account. I just copy it and now I am going to paste it here. It is login option. We are go through sign up process, just paste it. Now just tap on sign up here. Now we are not getting any error message. It is show there is an confirmation message sent to our email. Now we are going through the TampMail inbox. Here you can see a mail from Google Partner Training is come in our inbox. Just tap on it. It redirects us to the Chrome and here to the browser which you are using, and here is the mail, our temporary mail on our Chrome browser, and this is the inbox. When you tap on it, just tap on the inbox. Here your temporary email address. In the below you can see a verification email from Fat Home, because Google Partner Training in the collaboration with Fat Home providing these trainings. So just verify it. Verify your Fat Home registration. Here there is an option of verify account. When you tap on it, you redirect it to the Google Partner Training website, and here you need to set a password. There is a password option. You now set your own password and after that register. When you get registered, then you need to log in on your account from your email address, the business email which you get from Temp email, and here write your password, and after your email and password just log in. Tap on login, and here you get Google Partner Training registration form where you need to put your name and many more things you need to do, just like role, preferred language, country, and three more columns are there. Firstly put your name and then your role. Here you doesn't get any option for students, then just tap on other, and after that preferred language. Here you get English only, and after that there is country. Choose your country, and here I put it, and after that there are more three credentials you need, but it is not a compulsory, so just leave it. Here one thing you need to do, your interest in which of the Google Partner Training program. I choose Android Enterprise and just register. You doesn't put other two credentials, and after that just tap on continue. Here it is written updating your records, finding content just for you, and here are contents. We are on the Google Partner Training program, and these are some contents from Android Enterprise, Android Enterprise Associate. These are the learning paths, and after that there are some courses. Android Enterprise Associate pre-exam, post-exam. There are two post-exams here. Some surveys are there, pre-course survey, post-course survey, Android Enterprise, sales simulation, deployment. All these are exams. Some are graded and some are module exams. And after that, we are going to see more learning paths here. You need to complete associate learning path for getting other. You can see many more learning paths are here, just as Android mobile certification, Zero Touch, Android TV, Android TV, and this is also Android TV. 3 courses are related to Android TV. I am showing you Android Enterprise Associate, and here are the contents of this course. You can see this is the learning path. There are many courses, only 70 minutes needed to finish it. If you want the answer of these exams, let me know in the comments. That's much in this video. Thanks for watching. Just stay tuned.